আমি সুবর্ণা গুপ্ত ঠাকুর 13 ডিসেম্বর পেটের একটা অস্ত্রোপচারের জন্য আমি ভাগীরথী নেওটিয়া পার্ক স্ট্রিট রডন স্ট্রিট ক্রসিংয়ে হসপিটালে অ্যাডমিটেড হয়েছিলাম। আমার ডক্টর হচ্ছে ডক্টর রঞ্জিত চক্রবর্তী। গাইনোকোলজিক্যাল প্রবলেম যেটা আমি ফেস করেছি সেটা ম্যাক্সিমাম মহিলারাই করেন, রিলেটেড টু ইউটেরাইন ফাইব্রয়েডস অ্যান্ড সিস্টস অ্যান্ড পলিপস। আমার ইস্যুটাও সেই ছিল। ডক্টর রঞ্জিত চক্রবর্তী did not give me an option. Actually, he said that Bhagirathi Neotia is one of the best hospitals in Kolkata actually, and he also particularly emphasized on the fact that Bhagirathi Neotia is only looking after women and child development. It is not a multi-specialty hospital where thousands of patients with different ailments visit. So it's a very niche hospital. Patients are being taken care of in a very specialized way, in very specific fields of women and child only, and it will best suit my problem and issues and will be resolved in the best way possible. So I had a lot of faith on my doctor. যদিও আমি ভাগীরথী নেওটিয়ার খুব কাছাকাছি থাকি না, but I gave a thought and I said, yes, why not? Why shouldn't I see whether this hospital whom the doctor is speaking so well of, let me have a look and feel of this hospital as a patient also. 13th ভর্তি হলাম, ভর্তি হয়ে 14th আমার অপারেশন হলো, and today is my discharge date. Throughout this period I was thinking and observing and meditating on not only my physical issues but how the hospital was actually treating me. From the beginning I found that this hospital was working like a clockwork. Actually everybody was visiting, coming on time, doing their respective duties and discharges and obligations, and I was never finding that a doctor is amiss, or a sister is amiss, or a ward boy is amiss, or my food is not coming on time, or that my medicines are not being given on time. Rather, I seem to be on the backside of it, like I was trying to follow up with the pace of the hospital rather than the hospital was trying to revive me into a kind of a discipline which I was lacking. And especially I found, like, I can name a few of the sisters who attended me, like Shraddha and others, who were so alert as to, before I could take a step towards something, they were taking that step for me and helping me in doing things. It was very painful in the initial stages after the operation, so I was not being able to walk. I was not even being able to sit properly. I was not even do the normal things which a person does. And there was their help and support coming, before I can even think of that particular thing. They were doing it before me and helping me out. The ward boys were giving me a big smile when they were coming into my rooms, as if I am part of their family. The people, the doctors whom they were coming were actually asking me how I'm feeling in the most care-giving way that is possible. I do have a feeling that Bhagirathi Neotia is actually done a wonderful job of doing a professional, caring system setup, which is very lacking in most of the hospitals in Kolkata. There are professionals out there also, but here the professionalism gets entwined into a kind of caregiving activity and a kind of empathy which made me feel so happy that I am here. And now that I'm leaving, I feel saddened. And today I am trying to give a treat to all the people out here in whatever little way I can, because nothing is allowed from outside. So I'm giving a treat to all the people who have helped me to getting better during the 7 days period by offering them lunch and dinner in their own canteen. And by the way, the canteen is one of the biggest assets of this hospital. They give wonderful fresh food, and I can vouch that I am not despite being a Bengali girl, I am not a sweet taking girl. মিষ্টি ভালোবাসি না, কিন্তু এখানে every day I took the mishti because the mishti was something very specially made. And I really told the nutritionist to say it, madam, do you like the food out here? I said yes, I like the food out here, and I will really miss the food. I have never told that to anybody. And unlike restaurants, you can't come back and have the food in a hospital, so possibly I'll have to take care of it somewhere else. But my journey in Bhagirathi Neotia has been during the 7 days time has been a wonderful. I sincerely believe that they are doing a really wonderful service to Kolkata, and I wish them all the best.